Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to perform meta mapping in Odoo for Shopify instances. Head over to Shopify, click Settings, navigate to Meta Fields and Meta Odoo. Let's choose orders for which we will define a meta mapping field. We can use an existing one or define our own. Let's create new. Click on Add Definition. Provide a name for your meta mapping field. Copy the name of the field. Here, this is the technical of the name of the field which we will use to map in Odoo. You can provide a description as needed. Select type. We can choose type according to our needs. Let's choose single line text. Click Save. Head over to an order in Shopify. Navigate down. Here you can see our custom new field has been added. Let's provide some value. Head over to Odoo. Click on Shopify Connector app. Click on Instance. Open the configuration in which you want to perform Shopify meta mapping. Click on Meta Mapping toggle. Head over to Meta Mappings tab. Add model sales order. Paste the Shopify technical name of the meta mapping field. Choose a field in sales order. Let's choose Incoterm location. Click on Active. Click Save. Head back to Instance. Click on Specific Operation. Click Create Record in Import Action. Select Import Orders in Import Operation. Ensure operation is Shopify to Odoo. Let's import the specific record in which we modified the meta mapping field value. Select a specific ID filter for that. Head over to Shopify and get the Shopify record ID for the order. Head back to Odoo and paste the same ID. Click on Logs, Job Lines. You can wait for the job lines to process automatically, or you can process them manually as required. As you can see, the job lines have been processed. Head back to Instance, go to the orders and open the order. Click on Other Info tab. Here in the Incoterm location field, you can see the value which we provided on Shopify. In this way, we can perform meta mapping for as many fields as required based on our needs. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.